What if your child could chat with AI, create original artwork, and write their own stories, starting this week? Let's go. AI is the most important skill children can learn right now. And the best time to start? Ages 6 to 12. That's right now. AI for Kids. Discover, create, and explore. A complete beginner's course for ages 6 to 12. Free tools. No experience needed. Just curiosity. Over 80 hands-on labs. Students will chat with AI, generate artwork, write stories, compose music, using real tools every single session. The secret is the 3 magic ingredients. What you want AI to do, who you are, and how you want the answer. Master these, and everything changes. Every tool is free and family-friendly. Every lab is designed to be adult-supervised, and students learn to fact-check AI, so they always think for themselves. 24 modules, over 80 labs, plus printable resources, a prompt helper sheet, glossary, tool guides, lab workbooks for each lab, and suggested assignments. All included. Made for curious kids aged 6 to 12. Perfect for parents who want to learn alongside them, and teachers who want it ready for the classroom. AI for Kids is ready for your classroom or home now. Let's see what your child creates. Learn more at betterailearning.education or email information at betterailearning.education.